Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our London adventure.
Let's go! Pasyal na tayo! Bye! Ng bar.
Okay, so saan na tayo pupunta, baby? You're going to? Yes. So doon muna tayo sa side na yun. Sayang gabi na. Dapat magtatate mod. Tate Britain? Tayo.
Ang 5 lang.
Kung paano ba i-pronounce yun. But anyway, yun. At saka, yan.
Check natin pala baka.
Pero yung katabi ng Harrods is Hyde Park sana. Kaso alam mo kung wala namang makikita sa garden ngayon. Oh, sorry. So, doon na lang muna tayo, no? Okay. So, bus tayo. First time bus. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? So, pinababa kami sa bus lahat. Kasi mukhang, wala namin din mag-gets. Pero may something yata dun sa bus. Kailangan doon namin bumaba. So, ngayon hindi namin alam. So, kami sasakay papunta sa Harrods. So, yun. So, it seems like yung next bus na sasakay namin to transfer sa Queens may issue. Well, let's take it as an opportunity to walk. Sunod lang kami dito sa mga... Ay, ito, nasa likod natin. Mukhang papunta rin siya doon. So, let's see how it will work. Isa, hindi nakita may box na naman. Ang galing ng box.
Hi, so, ayan, delay, puro delay yung bus dito. More than 20 minutes.
So, ang tagal ng bus, kaya dito na muna kami sa Victoria Place. Makakain muna kami dyan. Tapos mag-bus or train papunta dun sa Harrods. Let's see. After sa mall, ito, may station. May tsura. So, masabilis mag-subway, no? And nandito na tayo sa kalsada papuntang Harrods. So, very social. Pero dito lang tayo sa food market. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Dito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yung rotisserie na something nila na isang set. O, tapos may mga ganyan din. And everything. Okay din yung pasta. You know. Spinach and ricotta. Alright, so we secured the spot at the fish and chips. And yun, ganito pala dito. Bang mayaman pala. So, susulitin na lang namin yung napagod na yung kakakita ng bus na hindi dumating sa subway. And then, kakain na lang kami ng mahal na fish and chips dito sa Harrods. Yes!
Bon appetit.
Sabi daw. Sige nga. Careful. Ano, how was it? Nice?
Lightly season lang siya.
Wow, sarap.
Sarap naman. Saka
Okay.
fresh ginawa. Try natin with tartar sauce.
Okay. Ano yan? Mambio. Good.
Masarap pag may tartar.
Okay. So I'll have mine na lang. This is shrimp. Wow, oh. Siyempre gusto ko titikim, hindi si Jumbird, no?
Ito na. Grilled shrimp yan din.
And now I'm lying in the sky. Nothing lasts forever. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't nobody. Oo, yan, di ba?
Ayan na yung bear.
Hi.
Ay, so tapos na tayo mag-shopping sa Harrods. And kumain tayo ng mahal na fish and chips.
For the experience and the
Pero
cloud.
masarap naman. So, I think worth it naman. Minsan lang tayo makapunta dito. And we experience the, yun nga, luxury. Pero kami, cheap lang yung mga binili, mga nakasay. So, ayun, malalaman na lang natin next time. Bye!
Ay, so biyahe na tayo pa uwi, no? So, research namin kung mas okay ba mag-bus,
Subway na lang.
mag-subway, or mag-Uber. Kasi, ang hirap kanina. Almost 1 hour kami naghintay ng bus, di dumating. Tapos, 15 minutes lang maya subway. But anyway, it was a good experience. So, highly recommended must visit. Yung isang nakita ko, yung na-research ko, Liberty, yung isang pinupuntahan nila. So, siguro if may time tayo bukas, punta din tayo din, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye!
Well, we were not able to visit Liberty for this adventure, maybe next time. So for now, this is what the subway looks like going back to our hotel. Hello, it's a rainy walk in London. At ang plan namin puntahan ngayon is yung sa may St. Paul's Cathedral, yung Tate Modern, Burrows, at saka yung Millennium Bridge. Kasi hindi namin napuntahan yun last time. So yun yung area na pupuntahan namin. And if may time, shopping. Charis, pero wala naman pera. Pero tingnan natin how it will go. So, plan naming maglakad papunta doon habang hindi pa ganun kalakas yung ulan. Para makatipid. No? 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 How many minutes walk from hotel?
45, 46.
Hi, lamig. So, yan. See you na lang later. Ang lamig. Parang nasa office, malamig. Yan na si Big Ben. Yun, lakad lang. You can rewatch our previous video for reference. Oo, may mga rally dyan last time. Ngayon, maulan.
Pero sarado ulit eh.
Ang alin. Alin na sarado ulit.
Ito ang feel. Hindi tayo pwede po.
Oo. Mahilig silang mag-yun dito eh. advantage ang umuulan, walang kalaban. Pero, malamig umuulan. Okay, it's still raining and we're a few minutes away from the destination, but we'll just visit here. We're for shopping! Anyway. Natin. Anong meron? Bibiyo. So yan, after the drama of pagtatai at malayong lakad, we're finally here. Ay, ganito na. Hindi pa. Gusto mo kumain dyan? Ano? Oh, cute. Welcome to Tate Modern. Ano ba yan, tate? O modern? Okay, sige. Ay, lamig. Kaya tayo papasok. Kung sana lang pwede pumasok na ito, may cafe. Ito yung Blavatnik building entrance. Ay, lamig. Ay. Sana makapasok na kami. Si siren eh. Wow, I'm so happy. We are finally inside. So tired. Hi.
Let's go to the 4th floor.
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Nasa ground floor. So,
Nasa Tate Modern.
At Tate Modern.
Ayan, dito tayo sa heart. Come on. So, 4th floor. So, Zero is Turbine, Terray Shop, si Mike Keller, Collection Display, saka si Anthony McCall. So, titignan natin. Dito! So, maganda dito sa museum nila, libre.
Hindi ka tulad sa US, may bayad.
Oo. So, tingnan natin kung pwede mag-video so I can share to you nonetheless. I'll just stop recording and enjoy the adventure.
I reject all controversy. I don't believe of my breasts to poison. I take back the body I gave last joy. I bury it in my womb.
Sa experience natin.
Ganda dito.
Nasa 4th floor pa lang tayo.
Pero uulan kaya okay lang. Kaya lang tayo pupuntahan.
Pero yung water arts pala, napaka-weird ng mga content.
Biology, tae.
Ganon. So, for sa mga future generation, yun yung dadatnan nyo.
Sama naman.
There's one that's like a face. You're going to try and draw a face. It's a mirror again. So there's a mouth. Draw some eyes. Oh, you kind of have to wiggle it a little bit when you draw it. You have to wiggle it when you draw it. You can't just do it there. No, when you draw it. There you go.
Okay na.
Wow. Little nose. It's a bit like a cat. And there's a cat ears.
Ayan, turbulence. See? Galing.
Press it again. Let's press the tick.
Hirap
Look at
magsulot.
that scary clown.
So that's the end of our...
Ganda.
Okay. So ngayon paglabas, ayan ay yung Millennium Bridge. Tsaka yung St. Paul's Cathedral. Ayan, natatakpan ng ano, na Library. Yan. So, magandang magkakasunod ito. Tapos, malapit na rin to sa Borough Market. And then, konting lakad. Dito na yung London Bridge is falling down. And yan. So, yan. Anyway, one quick picture and then magbo-Borough Market na tayo.
Ayun yung The Shard. Ano siya, yung libreng play. Let's go.
Market! So, malapit lang pala siya sa London Bridge is falling down. Tsaka Tate Modern. So, ito yung mga magandang magkakasama sa itinerary niya.
Tapos, okay. Dito na tayo sa loob ng mga food kitchen. The Borough Market Kitchen. Tingnan natin. The Spanish food.
Ayan.
Char siu.
Dito tayo. Pasok. Gusto mo dito?
Chicken.
Ito yung the Asian side of Borough Market.
Let me grab. On va voir ce qu'il y a de... Et après, on va...
Picture.
Nasaan na yan?
Dito yan.
Okay. Yun daw yung iwasan, no? Charis. Yung oyster. Oo. At saka may cover siya. Nasa na kaya yung may mince pie? Masarap pa daw yun.
Parang okay naman daw yung review. Try natin. Mac and cheese with pulled pork. Parang ang dami, no?
Wow. Sarap. Teka lang, picture na natin bago mawala. Ito.
May sauce sila dito.
Tapos anong lasa niya?
Ano siya? Parang, ano to? Salty yung pork niya.
Basta masarap. Mas mainit, tapos ang lamig.
Sarap
Highly
ng
recommended.
barbecue sauce.
Okay. Ay, ako naman.
Ayan. Anong gusto mo? Steak and Stilton blue cheese. Steak and ale.
Okay, so ako, itong pie yung ginawa ko kasi hindi pa kami nakakain ng pie. And I want to give this a try. So ngayon, tatambay kami, hanap kami ng pwedeng pwestuhan dito. Okay, titikman ni Jumbert yung pie ko. Yan ba kinakain yung pie?
Oo, pag malaking pie.
Ano? Naumay
Okay
ako?
naman.
Kaya naman. So, sige. Anong lasa?
Medyo malaki yung cheese.
Oh, blue cheese daw eh. So, good luck.
Ano okay?
Good luck sa akin. Dibi?
Old Street Station talaga. Bababa.
Monument Station.
Ganda.
Bank Station, Princes Street.
Saan tayo punta?
Aldi.
Ayan. So, hindi na kami nag-Poundland. Nag-Aldi na lang. So, yun na yung last hura natin. Last stop before going to the hotel. Oh, sikat yung frog nga eh. Yan yung pumutunog.
Meme.
So, anyway.
Ano, fake.
Parang 3D. Diba? Ang ganda. So, in our adulting life, Aldi is the way to go. Okay? So, eventually, dyan na lang kami bumili sa Co-op kasi dyan lang yung may murang bilihin. Parang, hindi kasing katulad doon sa ano, no? Sa, ano nga pangalan pinunta natin? Sa Warwick. Ano nga yun?
Warwick.
Mas
Sa
mura
Coventry.
doon sa Coventry.
Ay, sa Poundland.
Oo. Dito parang wala ako masyado nakitang mga sale sa Aldi and etc. Siguro depende sa community. Pang mayaman yata to. Pero may nabili naman kaming konti. So yun, enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And ganda na ng araw na kung kailan patapos na yung araw na yun. So yung MI6 ayan. Sa James Bond. Ayan. Ayan doon. Maraming building na.
So, yan lang.
Yan lang.
We're ending the day. So, ubusin namin yung wine namin galing sa Edinburgh. Dinala namin dito. But first, water refill station.
Okay.
Right, so for our last hurrah, visit tayo sa Tate Modern, no?
Tate Britain.
Britain pala. Kasi walking distance lang siya sa hotel.
Yeah.
So, bago mag-check out at sumakay ng airplane, yan.
Punta tayo doon. Bye!
Napaka-educational naman ang trip natin ngayon.
Let's go!
Taking videos was not allowed inside the museum, so here are some of the photos that we took. So that's the end of our London adventure. Up next, we'll share to you our trip back to Cebu with stopover in Hong Kong via Cathay Pacific. So again, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.